and then the status. Now, one of the things that I realized with the status is, you know, sometimes we have a warm lead, or it's a really good lead. Sometimes we have a hot lead. We need to call them immediately. They're ready to work with us. Sometimes we have a really cold lead that maybe we just have their email address and they don't really know who we are or why we can help them. Maybe it's a lost lead. They've reached out to us specifically and said, do not contact me. Now we can sort those into different areas. We can suggest the different contact preference. How do they prefer to be reached out to? What's the most preferred way? And is that email? Is that phone? Is that text message? As a millennial, if you try and call my phone, I'm probably not going to answer, but I'll look at my email. And if I think that we have a good enough relationship, I'll definitely check my text messages, right? So these areas are going to allow us to do some really cool things.